Welcome to the RMC world. Stay powered up always. Since the inception in 1994, RMC has been an industry leader in providing customized electrical enclosure in deep-drawn, fabrication, polycarbonate and sheet molding compound. RMC produces products that bring power to you, ensuring public safety, protecting the environment, promoting development and enhancing the quality of power. Our infrastructure is spread across in an area of 8 lakh square feet with all ultra-modern manufacturing and testing machineries. We are certified with the all-quality certification like 5S, Kaizen, ISO 9001. Our Chaksu facility in Rajasthan produces products like distribution boxes, molded case circuit breakers, mild steel components, energy meter enclosures, feeder pillars and many others. RMC's comprehensive product lineup continues to grow as requests for new customized products are received every day. Our roots of the innovation in the power industry go back to the start of the company, and today RMC combines a staff of more than 500 people aiming to become the best in the industry. Our unique vertical approach to manufacturing needs careful craftsmanship through every aspect of RMC products. Our culture of not only doing it right but also doing it better is the fabric of our company. With the emphasis on quality, we continuously improve our method and invest in our facility. We also understand that our people and community are vital to our success. The cornerstone of RMC stands on a proud legacy of the past, delivering today's needs while focused on the commitment of the future. Today, RMC is the national leader when it comes to electrical enclosures, as it is the only company in manufacturing all types of enclosures under one roof. We have a huge base of customer approvals from private utilities like BSES, Reliance, Tata Power, Delhi DL and Torrent Power, and state power utilities in the states of Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Assam, Maharashtra and Karnataka. We are also approved in Damodar Valley projects, infra projects run by various state utilities, RGGVY projects, RAPDRP projects funded by ADB, Power Grid, REC, NHPC and NTPC. We are also approved vendors with Northern Western Railways for our products. FRP V-Cross Arms. Many Indian states today are now extensively using line cross arms made of fiberglass reinforced plastic as substitute for steel like Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Karnataka. FRP cross arms have the following advantages over steel cross arms. FRP cross arms being light in weight, transportation costs are reduced and the cross arms are very easy to erect on poles. Due to good insulating property of FRP, the bird age problem is eliminated and flashing of insulators is minimized. No painting is required saving periodical costs and labor. The cross arms are specially suitable for coastal areas due to their corrosion resistance properties. Earthing of pins can be dispensed with, resulting in saving of time and money. Reasons to try FRP cross arms: asset management, cost savings, environmentally safe, durability, Raptor and environmental protection, long-term performance. When you need quality products, responsive service and innovation, think RMC.